We are focusing on digital transformation. We are focusing on the shift towards from products to services and solutions, and specifically with the verticals that we are done membership here with the supply chain area, both in terms of we are having within Volvo Group a large supply chain operations, but also looking at how can we expand into new service offerings, expand into new revenue generating services in the supply chain area.
Years ago, it was unheard of to talk about data or to talk about services with customers, but now we have a lot more customers that are coming to us saying, hey, we want your data. Hey, we want you to share with us what you have. We want your help. So I think it's important for us as a group, if we want to be considered thought leaders in innovation, if we want to be considered thought leaders in transportation, we need to be ahead of those curves, and we need to understand before our customers understand. How do we take a good idea, how do we take a good concept and then scale it up and industrialize it, commercialize it, get it out to the market, get it out to our customers, which we're operating across the globe, so we have tens of thousands of customers that we potentially want to reach with some of these solutions.
Within the Innovation Lab and being part of the Volvo Group, we have open innovation as part of our portfolio, and we have been tracking plug and play for a while, and we have also been part in the ecosystem here in Silicon Valley now for roughly 3 years. So we thought it was a perfect match. It's a lot of learnings, right? You learn about new technologies, you also learn about new interesting smart business model from the startup. So I think it's extremely valuable to have these contacts between us.
Innovation to me means taking solutions, taking different ways of looking at business models and reaching the end customers that we have with those.
For me, it's more to find a structured way to meet and find and engage with startups within a specific domain or vertical. So it makes our work more efficient and more fun, I would say.
I think one thing we're really aware of is we want to make sure that as we do prototypes, as we do proof of concepts, we have clear goals. What do we want to get out of them? We know some of these will never launch in the market, so I think we want to have clear goals, what success looks like, and sometimes success might be we just learn from something, we want to move on. So part of that is setting clear expectations for proof of concept or a prototype, and then on the other side, we also want to make sure that we don't end up in this POC graveyard where things just sort of fall down. We want to make sure that we have a way to scale up. I think that's a problem that we have historically struggled with when we're trying to launch services.
One of the key targets that we are working towards is in the year 2030, we want to be 100% more safe, 100% more productive, and also 100% fossil-free. And tied to that, we also have targets from the Volvo Group standpoint to reach 50% of our revenues from services. So that is the key targets that we are working towards.
We don't want to be experts at everything and develop everything in-house. We really want to find the partners that already do this, that are experts, and I think Plug and Play helps facilitate that. They help broker the relationships so we can find those experts and bring them on board for our transformation journey.